Hi guys, Sam from UberDriverNow.com. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to stay safe as an Uber driver and a Lyft driver with this whole corona virus outbreak happening. First things that you want to get are definitely these masks, if you can get a hold of them. Any kind of mask. You can even get homemade masks from cotton t-shirts. I'll make a video on how to make one at home. And then these gloves. So just have these on when you're driving to keep you safe somewhat. And then secondly, what you want to do is have your passenger windows open, from your front passenger and the rear passenger windows open, in case a sick passenger comes and sits in your car. The air will eject out of those windows and not be around you. So try to have them open. If I usually have the front passenger window open because they don't have control over it because the passengers sit in the back. Also make sure you tell people to sit in the back and not in the front seat. Other than that, unfortunately, there's not a lot that you can do. I also have this spray. It's a Lysol spray. It's a generic brand, Walmart brand. But I use that whenever I can on the door handles and inside my car. That's pretty much it, guys. Stay safe out there. Best of luck. And hopefully we're not going to get sick and make other people sick. And hopefully this corona outbreak gets resolved quickly. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And have a great day and stay safe. Take care, guys. Until next time.